Hi and welcome. Lisa here with a product reveal for Whimsy Stamps Lookin Shark 4x6 clear stamp set and coordinating outline dies. I'm going to quickly stamp the images and sentiments out to share with you, plus run them through the die cut machine with those coordinating outline dies. Now the items are sold separately. You may have heard me mention in the past my love for coordinating dies, and this set is a perfect example of why I love them. It includes a die to cut out the mouth for this goofy guy here at the top. Now, my first thought for my recommended previously released product would most definitely be the Best Fishes Sentiment Stamp Set. It has a sentiment that reads, "We're going to need a bigger cake," and you could easily add a cake in his mouth. So for any of you who have fans of the movie Jaws, these items together would be great. I do have some samples here that I want to share with you real quick. So my first sample, I used the Looking Shark stamp set with the Looking Shark Elements stamp and coordinating dies to create a fun "Hey Chum, just keep swimming." I even gave this guy 2 gold teeth. I thought that was kind of silly. Now I used the Wavelengths embossing folder for my background, did a little bit of airbrushing with that, and airbrushed the slimline film strip die there, and created a little under the water scene with the Build an Ocean die set. So Whimsy has a lot of previously released products that are going to go great with these sharks. Next up, I did something so clean and simple. I used one of the new products just released today, the Slimline Wavy Edger dies, and I cut some pieces of white cardstock. I inked them up with Distress inks, or Distress Oxide inks rather, and stamped a quick sentiment in the speech bubble. I'm finding I'm loving these speech bubbles for these little characters that Whimsy's releasing. I think it brings more life to the card. I just think it gives it a nice fun touch. Plus, I did die cut a few clouds from the Array of Rainbows die set. So that's going to wrap us up for this product reveal. Let me know what you think about these cuties in the comments below. As always, you can head over to the Whimsy Stamps website by clicking the links in the description box directly below. Be sure to join us in the Whimsy Stamps Inspiration Facebook group and follow us on Instagram for more inspiration. You can also find us on Pinterest. We would love to have you follow us there as well. So until next time, please take care.